Hi, a step into Artful Data, where data meets art and
The
creativity.
story of this video is about a generative AI. These days, we hear a lot. For centuries, humans have imagined powerful tools that could take a spark of creativity and turn it into reality. Like a genius make wishes come true. Today, we are seeing this fantasy come closer to reality. Thanks to breakthrough in artificial intelligence, powerful creative tools are now at our fingertip, making imagination tangible. Generative AI is revolutionizing creativity by providing tools that can bring our ideas to life in a way we could only imagine. This technology spans across various forms, from AI that design magazine cover to model capable of composing music, generating stories, writing the text, and even having realistic conversation. Whether it's creating digital art, drafting, writing content, or building a virtual environment, generative AI allow users to generate sophisticated, high-quality output with a simple prompt. These tools, once available only in the realm of science fiction, are now accessible to everyone, opening up new creative possibility for artists, writers, designers, and even everyday users. Generative AI is transforming how we create, collaborate, and interact with the content, bringing creative capabilities to the mainstream like never before.
So as you may see, wide range of models that create diverse type of content from simple prompt. Maybe just generate text in response to a user question. Another can generate image from descriptive prompt, or others can generate code, helping developers write software more efficiently. Additionally, some generative AI model can create music, composing original tracks based on a given style or mood. Other capable for generating video content, enabling filmmaker to visualize scenes or produce animations from textual description, or maybe generating 3D object for video games, or crafting synthetic voices for a voice over or visual assistant. Generative AI tools are pushing the boundaries of creativity across multiple media, tuning simple input into a powerful, diverse output. Our input data through the prompt is not limited just to text. We can have any kind of the data, and depends on the model, we have a different output. So any kind of the data would be input, any kind of data would be output, and depending of the model, we have a result as we wish. Generative AI reshape different industry, like knowledge-based industries. This sector is primarily rely on intellectual capability and information to create value rather than physical labor or raw material. This industry focus on expertise, creativity, and innovation to drive economic growth, like a technology, finance, healthcare, and education. Let's look together how generative AI reshape this industry. Let's look together. Investopedia has an article and talk about that how generative AI effect on these four industries. Of course, the technology is the leader of that. For example, for software development, the developer can get the code from the generative AI. So the process will be much faster. In financial services, with the generative AI, for example, in the bank, they can use for automating the financial process. They can find out the fraud much easier. In the healthcare, with the generative AI, they can analyze about the medical image, assisting with diagnosis and personalized treatment plan. In education, generative AI help to actually learn processing learning much faster and offer personalized learning experience, automated administrative tasks, and to help the person who wants to learn with the consult generative AI can get a better result of the how to find a solution for the some problem, some project. That is effective of generative AI. In these industries, focusing on producing and distributing creative content such as art, music, film, advertising, design, and media, they rely on imagination, originality, and artistic skill to generate product and experience that entertain, inspire, and inform the others. One of the most common area for generative AI is in the marketing and sales. It's being used for lead identification, marketing optimization, personalized outreach, and dynamic content creation. And in the media entertainment, generative AI is being used for content creation, personalized recommendations, and enhancing production process. And in the retail, AI is optimizing inventory management, enhancing customer service, and providing personalized product recommendation. These industries focus on producing, modifying, or moving physical goods, often relying on machinery, labor, and technology. These include manufacturing, construction, logistics, mining, and agriculture. But what about the generative AI can help this industry? It was an interesting article in the Forbes website regarding how generative AI helped the manufacturing. As a use cases, we can refer to PLC coding. Like all other coding that the developer can get use Gen AI for PLC coding can significantly reduce time spent on coding programmable logic controller and also natural language robotic interaction allow average operators to interact with the machine using everyday language. Pre-production optimization enable modeling of product characteristics, assembly long configuration, and potential issue before production begins. All are effective Gen AI is being applied to optimize production, improve product quality, reduce waste, support better decision making across operations. At the end, why we need Gen AI? Because Gen AI is transforming how we create, work, and solve problems. It acts like a powerful assistant, sparking creativity by quickly generating new idea and design, automating routine tasks to free up time, and personalizing experiences based on individual preference. In business, it optimizes workflow and identify patterns to make operation faster and smarter. Gen AI even tackle complex challenges like medical research, climate issue by processing massive amount of data to uncover solutions we might miss. In short, Gen AI enable us to innovate, personalize, and solve in a way that drive progress across industry.